In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express so you're on the canvas where you want the table to appear. It's always a good idea to have a general sense of where the table will go before you insert it, especially if you're working on a design with text, images, or other elements already in place. Once your project is open, move over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Add Content section. Hover over it, then choose Charts and Grids. Inside that area, click on the Tables tab. This is where Adobe Express gives you several table options to choose from. Take a moment to look through the available styles and layouts, then select the table that best fits your design. As soon as you click it, the table will be added to your project. After your table is on the canvas, you may want to customize its structure by adding more rows or columns. To do that, click in the area of the table where you want the new row or column to be inserted. Then go to the top toolbar and choose Add Row or Add Column. You can also right-click in the table and select Add Row or Add Column from the menu there. This gives you two easy ways to make changes, depending on what feels faster for your workflow. If you need to remove part of the table, the process is just as simple. Highlight the row or column you want to delete, then choose Delete Row or Delete Column. This is useful if you inserted extra sections by mistake, or if you want to simplify the layout after seeing how the table looks in your design. You can also adjust the size of individual cells to improve spacing and readability. Hover over the edge of the cell you want to change until your cursor turns into a double-headed arrow. Then click and drag to resize it. This is especially helpful when some cells need more room for longer text, while others can stay smaller and more compact. As you make these adjustments, try to keep your table balanced and easy to read. Clean spacing can make a big difference, especially if the table is being used to organize important information. And that's it. That's how to add a table in Adobe Express. Then customize it by adding or removing rows and columns and adjusting cell sizes to fit your design.